Good morning guys, it's Tuesday morning guys at nandito tayo uli sa ating unloading. At after nito ng unloading natin, meron tayong part load sa France din, part din ng France siya, at i-unload natin sa Austria on 15. At katatapos lang ng unloading guys, at iluludan nila ito ng around half lang yata ng trailer natin. At yung dala natin is single axle trailer lang, dahil yung load natin is medyo magaan lang pabalik ng Hungary. At yung part load natin papunta ng Austria is medyo magaan din guys. It's around 5 pallets lang siya na maliliit lang, siguro more than 1 tons lang siya guys. At yun lang guys, bye bye guys, update na lang uli mamaya guys. Bye bye guys.